What's up, my Destiny Tribe? How are you guys today? In case you are new to this channel, my name is Diego Vecchia, a fashion wedding portrait photographer who shares videos about photography, videography and our lifestyle on YouTube. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, don't miss future videos about this topic if you like it. And okay, the first setup for today's shooting, we are shooting a model called Eduarda. She's a professional model, a very young girl, a new face in this case, and she's very pretty. So this is the setup for the first outfit we are shooting today. I have that old leather. I got some plants and placed it here in two tripods, which I'm gonna show in a minute. I'm shooting with the Canon EOS RP 1/125th of a second, ISO 100 f2.8, and I'm using the Jinbei 800 watts flash head. I'm shooting with the aperture all the way down at f2.8 inside the studio because I want to see if I'm able to create some blur in the image. You know, I will place some flowers or some prism in front of the lens and see how it looks like. I may use it, I may not. Let's shoot. Okay guys, we are going to the third look right now. We shot the first look on that beautiful wall with the shadow of the plants as you saw in the video. So we went to shoot the model with a white shirt on a black-white picture, which was just her portrait, a very cropped portrait on her face, because I wanted to give her this very raw looking. And we have a new project right now which every person that comes here to shoot in the studio, or that I go outside to shoot that person. Oh sorry, I kind of twisted the gimbal here. I have the gimbal in my hand. I'm gonna shoot a picture of the person wearing a white shirt. It's a new project that we have, which will be called Wear Our White Shirt. And right now my settings are 1/125th of a second on the camera, f6.3 ISO 100. I have 6.3 right here where the model gonna stay at the time of the picture right now, and I have f11 back there because I want the background to be very bright, very white, and I want some light kicking back on the sides of her body and her face. And let's shoot. Okay guys, now we are at the third look, and what I did is I placed, let me put this camera down a little bit, oh not up, it's in a gimbal right now, the PHOTOSHOOT. And okay guys, we are in the last look, and what I did, I placed a white paper, snow white paper on the ground, and that's a kind of wine, almost red color, you know, it's a red almost wine, because when the light kicks on that wall it won't look like a dark red, it will look a very vivid red. And what else? I'm using two lights. One light is right here behind me, it's in a white umbrella. It's a strobe of 600 watts of power at 1/16 of power right now. The other head is right there, 800 watts strobe with one beauty dish using a grid at 1/8 of power. And my camera settings right now, I use my meter. I always use my light meter, okay guys? If you can purchase this Iconic light meter, I will leave the link below for you if you want to as well from Amazon. I think it's a very good thing to do, because with the light meter you never get it wrong, you know? Because the screen of the camera always will give a very bright colors on the especially mirrorless on the photo sometimes, and it can trick you. So go ahead, make a reading, you know, it's not like you're outside reading, because outside you just use the camera to read the natural light, right? So again, I shot with the Canon EOS RP. I used the 24-70 here at the last look. At the second look, I used both lenses, the 24-70 f2.8 from Canon and the 85 1.8, which is my favorite lens from Canon, my favorite portrait lens. It doesn't cost that much, it's around $300 to $400, and it's f1.8, and it focuses really fast and is very sharp. Okay, so here my camera settings are at 1/125th of a second, f4, ISO 100. I have two lights, one with a beauty dish and a grid, another one which is a fuel light on a white umbrella. So I'm gonna place a few pictures of the shooting today. If you wanna see them not in the video but in the website, you can go ahead and check the link below to our website as well. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Your support is very welcome. And let me know what you think about the shooting and the colors out of the Canon EOS RP. So far, as I say in many of the videos, love this camera, doesn't let me down, and thanks for watching. Until next. Bye guys.